David, welcome to carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007. Okay, I can't test your carburetor because ain't nothing there. And you're missing a rod, which this is immaterial and irrelevant, and the pump arm, which this arm here is not for that, but this one is. So I'm going to have to charge a little bit extra for that because that's one of my parts I have to give to you, and the bolt will just charge the same $20 for the bolt and the deal here. But yeah, it looks to be rebuildable. You know, smells like a carburetor, so it's got to be a carburetor. And next time you see it, it'll be all gold and shiny and clean and running good. All right, David, thank you for sending your carburetor to us here at carburetorsamore.com. Once again, folks, our phone number is 832-221-4007.